What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited. I get to bring you a project, Versailles Heroes. Really cool. It's coming soon, so you know that you've got in this super early. I'm super excited, but before we get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it because I love it and I get it on your radar before many people get it. All right, this channel is renowned for getting some of the best projects on your radar first. So let's get straight in. Here it is, guys. It's Versailles Heroes, as you can see here. And like I said, it is coming soon. Now, overview of the website before we dive into the project yet is home about whitelist event, marketplace, and support. So scrolling down, you can see what it says. Real opponents, real rewards. So this is actually created and experienced game developers are the ones behind it. Okay, they're blockchain experts. Versailles Heroes is a play-to-earn game for everyone to enjoy, right? It combines crypto economics with the gaming world through fascinating storytelling. Now, NFT, game art, blockchain technology. It starts your adventure with one of the NFT's heroes, and you can earn your rewards today. Now, it's on Android, iOS, or Windows. All right, experience more excitement and entertainment than ever before. You can see the images. Look at them. Right, this is like a little Rambo figure with the skull and crossbones, right? He's got his guns in there. We got a little Texas cowboy, looks like a Milky Bar kid. And we got this little elf princess, what it looks like. Now, it's one of a kind competitive crypto MOBA game, all right? You can purchase NFTs of the heroes in the marketplace. I will actually show you that. And in multiple game modes, the winner of the game will be rewarded with the tokens that are tradable on different exchanges. Play to earn game merges different aspects. Now, here's the white paper. If you click on it, this is what it looks like. All right, so you can actually have a good look. Go all the way through this and have a good look at what's going on. Now, let's get back to the tokenomics. If you click that, it's going to take you to the white paper section of the tokenomics. So going on to the tokenomics side, all right, blockchain technology continues to evolve. The new organizational concepts have been proposed by the community, such as DAOs have come to the primary method to conduct governance through a series of proposals, right? DAO, which is actually standing for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, is together with smart contracts and building the blocks of the government. Now, in traditional organizations, they're expensive to create and take a long time to set up, with the cost of DAO has proven to be much more inexpensive and simpler than traditional organizations. Okay, that's what we talk about. So if we actually go to the VHR token supply and distribution section, you can have a look. So let's have a look at the total supply. We got 70% to the community, like you see on this pie chart right now. 6.99% to the foundation, 9.99% to the core team, 6.99% to investor, 3 only to the grant bugs bounty. The IDO gets 3 and the airdrop gets 0.03. So it's a distribution of 2.42 billion. You can see them here. All right, the release schedule, as you can see, from 2022 all the way to 2050, reaches highs of above 1,200, only just tipping just below 1,500, right? It's incredible. Now, back talking about the DAO, all right, it's like I've just talked to you. This is what it looks like on the chart. So we've got the VHR mining, then it goes into the guild controller, allocate VRH inflation based on the guild. All right, then you go in either guild A, guild B, guild C, D, E, F, G, so on, so on. You got 100K VVHR, right? Can apply as an owner of the guild. The owner of the guild sets their commission rate, and then we move. So the game token inflation comes out. You get the play to earn, you get the play to earn, you get the play to earn. It goes through all different users. Then what it does is joins the guild. So that's how this works, all moving into the guild. That's what VHR DAO for this is, okay? So you've got the mining section and the game token inflation that will pay to earn, and you will actually get the mining and go into the guild. If that doesn't make enough sense to you, please go on YouTube and read about DAOs, learn about them, okay? Let me know in the comments if it starts making more sense once you've fully dived in. This is a big project, all right? There's some stuff going on here that you should be knowing already, and there's some stuff that you should be doing your own research for. All the links are going to be down below for everything we're talking about, as always. Back onto the main site, then you can see there's a lot of influence making videos about this, right? We have the game modes here, practice grounds. We have the Battle Royale, which is super popular, going to be the Deathmatch 4 versus 4, Trophies Collection 4 versus 4, and of course we have the Inhibitor Rush. That is the players are split into 2 teams to grab batteries and summon robots to dismantle inhibitors. Gonna be super fun, all right? Talking about all the different features, we've got the play to earn, the scalable NFT, the fast-paced game security, story development, community governance. What is VRH? All right, you've heard me talk about it in the white paper, and you can buy it on exchanges or mine it. You've seen the way you can mine it through the DAO, or if you get it from the in-game utility, the governance voting way, or the mining pool, of course. Now, what is MOH? So that's the game acquisition, buy on marketplace goes into this, the MOH. You can burn it MOH is the native token. VRH output boost you get by burning it. You get in the marketplace or metaverse platform for the DeFi. Click learn more and it will take you through to the white paper again and teach you. Now, for the fun bit, all right? NFT Heroes display. Look at these. These are super, super cool. We got Kemi running it up in the gold, right? Level 10, level 8 coming down to level 4, level 7s. All right, super cool. Just getting you a little sneak peek. This looks like Rocket. It's called Roots. It looks like Rocket off Marvel, of Guardians of the Galaxy. Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Going on to the roadmap, all the way from quarter 2 2021, we flew through that, right? We've closed out, going through to quarter 3 22. The website released the white paper, the community growth, IDO unlisting, open beta testing, the marketplace launch, NFT package sale, through to the release the full game, right? It's coming very, very soon, right at the start of next year. DO treasury and staking will be there, starts trading on major platforms, and the collectible museum launch of new heroes will be around. Now, developing the new game modes, first round of MOH and VHR buyback, and to be continued after collectible figure sales, launching the Heroes 2.0 and establishing the metaverse. All right, they plan to go on and on and on. You can read these blogs. Having a look at the whitelist event, right? This is super important, guys. September the 9th, okay, to October the 5th, 2022. You can actually just join it by clicking join whitelist event here. All right, it's got a countdown. All you got to do is join their Discord, their Facebook, their Twitter, their Instagram, or their Telegram. All the links are going to be down below, so do not worry. And you can download your rewards now. All right, super, super cool. Now, guys, talking about the IDO rules, all right? So if you go into the white paper, you can actually see all of the rules here going through. All right, so it tells you when it will be launched, what it's going to be launched on. It's first come, first served. All right, only accepts Tether USDT. Okay, this is the main token contract address. Please only use trusted links. Links are down below as always. You can join 3 rounds of the VRH IDO. All right, the first round is 0.1 USDT to VRH. It's 25 mil, right? Second round is 0.15 and then going through 0.2. Each round the token is going to last 16 hours for a total of 48 hours. All right, no minimum amount, maximum amount. Can participate in multiple rounds of sales. Do not transfer USDT directly to VRH IDO. Okay, it's call purchase function instead if you're using the script. So the USDT must approve the VRH IDO smart contract first. So 20% of purchased tokens will be transferred to your address immediately, and 80% of purchased tokens will be locked for 1, 2, 3, and 4 years, whatever you choose. Okay, it's not ERC20 compliant, therefore not transferable. The token is non-fundable, and the protocol will burn all unsold tokens. There you go, guys. Now you can see why I'm super excited about this, right? This game is going to be fire. Super, super excited. Please give us a like on the channel. Give us a subscribe. Let us know if you are still supporting and if you're getting involved in this project. I am super excited all the time to get this done to you and get this on your radar. I'm so excited that you keep coming back and supporting us. So please, please, please let us know in the comments what we can do to make this better, or if there's any projects you'd like us to cover. Until then, have a very blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.